It's a heartache, nothing but a fool's game. Hits you when it's too late. It hits you when you're down. Hello, this is Bonnie Tyler welcoming you to Come Hither with Heather. Okay, fine. It's not Bonnie Tyler. It is me. I am not AI. I have been sick for the past 7 days at the time of editing this video, and I just do not have a voice. This is the most voice I've had for 7 days actually. So you're going to have to put up with my sexy raspy voice. I have to admit I do like Bonnie Tyler, and yeah, I love it when I sound like her, but I probably don't sound like her in the video. But never mind. I couldn't use the raw footage either because there was too much going on, too much happening, and the sound quality and the concentration aspect just wasn't there. So it was going to be a mix of my terrible voiceovers and music. So please sit back, relax and enjoy this video, my besties and explorers. I hope you like. So here we are in the bathroom. At first I thought it was a laundry, but I think it's a bathroom. You can hear that's the foyer. And I think we're in the kitchen here. As you can see, everything's sort of been pulled apart. The salvage process has well and truly started, so it's going to be demolished shortly after this visit here. I think these homes are on the South Road section that's being redone. A new overpass or an underpass is going in, and a lot of homes have been forcibly purchased by the Highways Department. And here's the lounge room. Either that or a dining room. Lots of cracks in the wall. I'm not too sure. I can't remember what that sort of ceiling symbolises. I think it's pre-1900s. Here's a bedroom. Not much to see in these rooms. Looks like the fireplaces have been used after the tenants have left. It's yeah, the doors are original to the house, or pretty close to the original to the house. I've got to remember what I learnt about pre-1900 doorknob heights to post-1900 doorknob heights. They've boarded up the windows. You can see the Venetian blinds there. They've boarded everything up in a bid to keep me out. As if that's going to happen. Oh dear. Pretty basic house here. Lots of cracks. It was probably going to end up being demolished regardless of the buyback. I'm not too sure what I was pointing out there, but oh yeah, that's probably, look, you can see the brick which has been covered up by rendering. A lot of these homes were rendered. hardware's gone off that. That would have had a Bakelite handle and key lock, I suspect. And you've got the old electrical wiring there. Very old school, very dangerous these days. And the stained glass, I can't remember what that sort of glass is called. It's not stained glass, it's frosted glass. And the old letter box, that's a little hole where the letters would come in, where the postman would put the letters. Very English, that is actually, very English. I don't know if it actually took off because I think letter boxes have been around for as long as I can remember. And very beigey. Oh, here's the bathroom. Very beigey colouring. Very rental cream and beige. Quite boring. Going back in here, I don't know why. Or is this a different room? Did I miss this room last time? I can't remember. Would have been the laundry. And here we are outside. You've got the old shed. I remember asking Wayne if there's anything to see in the shed. He just ignored me. It's typical. There's no sign of the Hills hoist, but the backyard goes a fair way down. You know, I guess if you don't have kids and you don't use the land, it's a bit of a waste. Goodness knows what the hell Werner's doing. And here we are going to the second house. This is actually quite unique. I really like this house. So this is a little alcove. It's quite small. It's no bigger than a giant hallway, really. We went in there, couldn't get in there. But that was actually, gave me a bit of a surprise. And I'll just go back to the hallway. There's one. Right here. Isn't that stunning? I would say that this is possibly 30s. And here we have what I believe is a master bedroom, judging by the amount of wardrobe space in here. Done is removed all the original doors and created sliding doors to create more room. And I don't know what that was. So I've got another, what I think might be another Art Deco light there. Very pretty. Go into this room, which I think is lounge room. Look at this. There we go. Check out that ceiling rose. Isn't that stunning? I love a good ceiling rose. You got more what might look like Art Deco lighting with some eco-friendly light globes. So this is like a sunroom. Which is very cute. That's the door that would get you outside, but that's been all locked up. And I imagine that along here, oh, it might have been curtains, but along here would have been something to kind of separate the two rooms. Okay, so this is the main lounge room. Wiring has been cut. That looks like the internet wiring. Yes, that's I can't remember what that's the internet cable. And we've got, I'll do that room in a moment. Looks like we've got another bedroom here. Different lamp again, no ceiling rose. Check out this window, isn't that stunning? Absolute stunning. And again, big built-in wardrobes. Well, they're not really built-in, but this is what built-in was before built-in became what it is now. This is, I guess, an original built-in wardrobe. Originally what they would have looked like. Again with the sliding door. So let's go into this room. And yeah, as I suspected, there will be a door to the kitchen. So have a look at the lights here. I must say, I do like their tasted lights, don't you? And cobwebs everywhere. There was a little more air conditioner in there. And there was a fireplace there. Isn't it funny? All these doors have chain locks on them. Goodness knows why they'd want a chain lock. And oh, I think this might have been a pantry, I reckon. Dining room, pantry, and kitchen. Oh, nice. There's the original fireplace there. I think that's this here might be a nod to the heritage style fireplace. I don't think it's original. And the doorknobs, the hardware is not original either. So there we go, there's the grand hallway from the kitchen. And here's the bathroom. Gorgeous lime green bathroom with a kind of modern sink. No oh yeah, there were taps there. And taps up there, so there's a shower as well. Yeah. Kitchen, I'm thinking, was about 80s remodel or 90s remodel. And here we have the porch. And I reckon the toilet is right there. I was right. Oh, look at that. It even got the pointy bits at the top. And, oh, there's another room in here. Ah, the laundry. The laundry. Typical laundry trough. Cement, double cement trough. And cupboard. Typical laundry for a 40s or 30s house. Now let's have a look, quick look out the back. And Okay, again, this will be sold off. Another big block of land. Now that looks like it belongs to the house next door, and I think that might be their shed, I don't know. But oh no, there we go. Yeah, that's all the house next door. The fence has been pulled down. So maybe the house next door is being sold as well. So plenty of trees, plenty of privacy. Well, if the fence was there. Lots of shade. As you can see, the sun is setting that way, which means the trees here would have kept the house fairly cool during summer, during the afternoon. And I could find plenty to do with a backyard like this. But you're not going to find backyards like this very much. That shed, does that belong to the neighbours? Yep. So if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And remember, my lovelies, keep smiling, make the world wonder what you've been up to. Bye for now.
Time to waste in search of hidden treasures in every